Well, for as long as anybody can remember, humans have been both fearful and fascinated with sharks. Well, a new study released today from scientists at Mote Marine takes us inside the minds of sharks to better understand them. SNN's Kelsey Kern joining us now with some of what they discovered today.
Mike, scientists told me that a lot of sharks actually hunt differently than you would expect.
People are pretty focused on the sense of smell in these guys. There's all sorts of ideas about a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. But it really turns out that it's not just about smell in these animals.
The study, led by Mote Marine Laboratory, USF, and Boston University, is the first to show senses other than smell play a much larger role in how sharks hunt. The research shows sharks of different breeds and lifestyles favor vision or touch, and that some sharks can switch senses to hunt when their preferred senses are blocked.
Things like oil, antibiotics, heavy metals, all of these things are pretty toxic to those sensory systems, and some of these animals may still be able to feed in environments where they're exposed to these things where other animals may not. So they may be able to some degree, overcome some of the damage that we've done and still be able to survive and feed in those locations.
Mote's research laboratories allowed scientists to observe blacktip, bonnethead, and nurse sharks, which differ in size and hunting strategy, but can all be found along Florida's coast. High-speed video captured hundreds of clips of the various sharks as they captured their prey with different senses blocked.
Well, it really gives us some insight into the flexibility of the behavior and just the variety of different ways that they can get to their food. So instead of just having this idea that they detect prey purely by smell and they may strike just based on vision, there's all these different ways that they can get to their food, different ways of accomplishing these behaviors.
While the results don't focus on shark and human interactions, it may provide some insight on how to camouflage people by blocking some of those senses.
And again, if you're going to study sharks, better to do it from a distance, I think.
I agree.
Kelsey, thank you.